Okay, welcome back to our other video, guys. So today we did a St. Thomas. Well, we were at St. Thomas.
St. Thomas was cool. I guess we have mixed emotions about it.
If you guys didn't know, it's actually American water.
No, it's American territory.
American territory. When we pulled up there, as soon as we walked into like the port area, everyone there at St. Thomas was like rushing you. Like they had a hostile, I don't know, like a way of speaking. Like we want to go one way, they say no, go that way. Like until we finally met somebody that actually told us like we can walk in that direction and go off on our own. Like they want you to like do.
They're just very like aggressive and pushy.
Yeah.
I mean, this is the like,
we don't know what it is, but if people, when you, as soon as you reach out from the port, if you guys take a cruise, you already know what I'm talking about. So anyway, so we decided to do our own thing.
We're just trying to figure out what would be the best bang for a buck. We ended up going to like this beach that had
An aquarium.
I think it's called COKI Beach.
COKI Beach.
The scenery was beautiful. Once again, once we got there, the people that were trying to sell us like umbrellas and beach chairs and
they try to sell us every single thing.
Activities were like all over the place. Once again,
I mean that's how they get paid. That's their job and stuff like that. But when we arrived to the aquarium place, it was pretty cool. It wasn't like, it was just something to do, and there was a beach right next to it. We didn't actually go in the water. The last thing before we left there, Costa was hungry,
starving,
and this we
ordered a fish sandwich.
A fish sandwich and some fries. Up to this now,
she probably still cooking that sandwich.
And we just told them no, we can't wait for that sandwich any longer, and we just left.
It was really like 30 minutes, and I still didn't get my sandwich and fries.
It was crazy.
It was packed up and left.
But the waitress, she was very nice. But besides that, I don't know. It was just too much going on. Like it was too hot. We were tired. I don't know. It's just, you guys will see in the clip.
Let the clip roll.
Flat against the wall and let the Stingrays swim over.
Oh my god!
Now, just out of curiosity, why did you see her
Because she eats more than the rest. She is a very aggressive feeder. Does not let the other ones come to her. She's gained a lot of weight, more so than those guys. So
why does she only have half a tail?
Probably got bit off by a shark at some point in her life before we got her.
Oh wow.
You're so pretty.